Hi everyone, my name is Prashant and I recently completed the Mechanical Designer with CATIA course conducted by the IFS Academy, and I'm excited to share my experiences with you. Being an aerospace engineer who is very interested in 3D design and modeling, CATIA was like one of the first choices that I had to learn, and it was a perfect software to learn. And I was very impressed by the course structure and the content, and the modules were very strategically arranged, which ensured a very smooth learning curve, even for someone who might be new to 3D modeling. The course, it actually covered all the basic sketching techniques like the assembly designs, surface modeling, wireframe modeling, and a lot more in-depth and detailed analysis of the software, which allowed me to learn CATIA from a very good standpoint. My instructor, Ms. Deepika Deshmukh, she was very knowledgeable and experienced, and she was always available to resolve any doubts and provide extra tips and tricks to optimize, you can say, my designs. And she also provided me with a lot of examples and projects which were involved in the course, which were embedded within the course, and allowed me to apply the theoretical part of CATIA, which we learned in the CATIA tool in a real world context. And after finishing the course, I think that I've acquired the skills that have really helped me with my designing and the modeling capabilities. And not just that, it also allowed me to apply for new jobs and try to advance in my career. And I can say that now confidently I can handle complex design projects using CATIA. And I actually recommend the Mechanical Design Engineer course with CATIA by IFS Academy, for someone who has, even if you're someone who has not a lot of experience, or someone who want to advance their career in their field like product design, or someone who's coming out from mechanical engineering or from aerospace engineering, they want to get into the design field. I would definitely recommend this specific course by IFS Academy. I once again thank Ms. Deepika and IFS Academy for creating such an impactful course, and it also helped me gain more insights into the software. So I would say that it was a very good course for me. Thank you.